My name's Mark Chadwick, and I'm from Huawei Cloud South Africa, and today we're going to discuss SecOps. SecOps is the fusion of security and operations for the entire IT operations lifecycle. DevOps is a well-understood practice, but SecOps seems to have fallen by the wayside. As more organizations move to cloud, SecOps is becoming more important. Common challenges South African organizations face around SecOps are skills shortages and resource constraints. Traditionally, security and operations are quite siloed, so a SecOps approach helps you bridge the gap between the two and almost cross-skill across your staffing and your resources. So not just from a people point of view, but processes and technology as well. The complex regulatory environment is also a challenge for South African companies. Everybody's well-versed in POPIA, but what seems to have been forgotten about is the Cybercrimes Act of 2020. Now that introduces guidance and legislation around securing data and preventing fraud. At Huawei, we have a number of tools that can help you reduce that staff overhead and human error that can crop up from time to time. So focusing on situational awareness, we have our security incident and event management tools. SecMaster is a comprehensive end-to-end security management platform. From a data security point of view, we have our Data Security Center service, which helps you identify the data, secure that data. You can also mask the data so people aren't aware of what their data is if they somehow manage to get access to some of it. And you can also introduce data watermarks to your data, so it's easy to determine where that data came from. And lastly, from an operations and maintenance point of view, we have our new service, Cloud Operations Center, which gives you a holistic operational viewpoint of all of your assets deployed within cloud. It's also multi-cloud capable and can also give you a view of your on-site equipment as well. So that gives you that high-level overview of your entire environment and offers you a secure viewpoint and integration with all of the other cloud services like SecMaster and Data Security Center. Cloud gives you access to a wealth of great services, but cloud is a shared responsibility in terms of security. We're responsible for security of the cloud, whereas you're responsible for security within the cloud. And so to help you do that, we give you access to a comprehensive array of security and operations tools.